Okay, so this is the jasmine plant that is planted outside. You can kind of see where it's planted out there. One of the things to just do every now and then is to come out here and just see, like, is it trying to grow up onto anything? We can get this thing removed because it likes to grab onto this and then get all wound up in there. So I'd say like maybe once a month or so, just come out here and see what he's up to. Give him a little guidance. So you can see this little crazy one. Just try to get him going where I want him to. Use the fence, just put him in there. This is, these are seed pods. They're just not quite ready yet. But I do think once they get brown, it would be great to try to propagate this and plant these in a little pot. There's seeds inside of it. You can look about propagating from seed on jasmine. And then you might get a whole new plant that you could plant either outside to continue on the fence or whatnot. We do have little emitters on here. Both of the places where the emitters are plugged into though is actually after this valve. So right now it's not getting any water and it's doing just fine. If it starts to look a little sad, you might just open this valve every now and then, but be mindful, this actually goes out here and there are a number of irrigation lines here. Most of these you can see have the goof plugs in them, but I do have a couple of emitters, so you know, you can give this little guy some water. I think he pretty much only gets water from the rain that comes in sideways, so but he's still doing okay. And then there's another emitter over there that is active, so if you do turn on this valve, you can use all of these, and you can always pull out these goof plugs and put a little emitter in there. There's, you know, the just an emitter tube, and then you can put a little emitter thing on the end. And this is the distribution tube, and this is the emitter tubing. And there is more distribution tubing here. We will clean this up a little bit before we leave, but we will leave that tubing. There is a little tool you can get to better clamp that off, to cut it for use. One other thing I just noticed here is we do have this perfect palm fertilizer still. I will leave this here. You won't need to use this anytime soon. I think after the winter, after the winter, you'll probably want to place a little bit of this again on the palm trees. It did help them come back from the freeze, so that's good news. But we will leave this here. We'll clean some of this stuff up for you.